Today we have our Sweet Baby Ray sauce. We have our caramel Hershey syrup. We have, I don't know what it's called, strawberry jelly. Today we are getting the cup. Okay, we have the cup. Today we're gonna put some of this in there. Okay, sorry guys, there's not in this, so we're using this grape one. Okay, great. Okay, so now we're putting in there. Okay, that's enough of that. Sweet Baby Ray. Yes, it's Dora. I love Dora. Here's our Sweet Baby Ray sauce. No!
Now the Hershey syrup.
Now the Hershey syrup!
Don't touch the camera.
And a little bit of this.
Or a lot of that.
Okay, so while we're doing this, Brooklyn's gonna get a spoon for us. Spoon. And we're stirring it up. Just don't look too ugly. I'll show you all.
The mixture. Leave your hand. That is what we are eating today.
Okay, Brooklyn's going to do it first.
Really?
Get the biggest scoop you can use.
No, little scoop. It might be sick.
Ew! What's that dirty?
We should have used light things, like pretty colors.
There.
That's all of it. It doesn't taste that bad. All you can taste is the barbecue sauce.
Okay. No!
No, I threw mine out. Go. Yeah, I did. Go. So you see it in the window? It's a little. Ah! It's a cow! Eat it. You have to swallow. No! Clean it up.
Alright guys, see you next. Bye!
We're making more videos.